Bunondhara is a rapidly growing clothing e-commerce website in Bangladesh. This website is not loading. Few minutes ago there was showing what screen of death. Now it's showing HTTP errors. That means error message is changing continuously. This is the most common symptoms of malware attack. If I try to log into the backend, it's showing the same error message. Let's see if this website is hacked or not. To identify this website is hacked or not, I have to log into the cPanel. Here is the cPanel of this website. Carefully look at these files. This is not WordPress file because admin.php is not a WordPress file. Let's check this file. Yes, this is just eyewash. If you look at this area, you will see this is not normal coding. Let me show you how actual code look like. Let's see this file. Usually WordPress files look like this, standard coding, but this is not. Important thing is, if you see eval anywhere of your website, that means it is suspicious. So this file is suspicious. We have to delete this file. When you visit a website, then the website first load index file. Let's see what inside of our index.php file. Actual file is replaced here. This is not actual index file. Let me show you how actual index file look like. This is actual WordPress file. I just download this file from wordpress.org. Let's see what inside in index.php file. So this should be our code at this area. So if I save this file and try to visit our website, yes, it's loading. Great. So index.php file was corrupted. There might other files that is also affected by malware. To identify, we have to check every file one by one. As you can see, there are a lots of files. It's very hard to check every file one by one. There are lots of files. So let's not do that. Let's find an easy solution. We will replace core WordPress file from here. How we do that? Let me show you. I will select all files from here. Then I will not delete wp-content this folder because this is your important folder. All of your images, videos, PDFs, uploaded documents go to wp-content folder. Moreover, your themes and plugins located into this folder. So if you delete this folder, all of your design and all of your file will delete it. So we will not delete this folder. We can replace wp-admin. We can replace wp-includes. This file is common WordPress file. So if we delete this file, we can replace this file with a newly downloaded WordPress file. But we can't delete htaccess file because there are some settings of our website. This might be important. So we will not delete this file, but we will look at this file later. You can delete error log, but I will keep it here. Everything happens to your website, you will find it here. And this file is not harmful at all. Actually, .php file, .js file, .htaccess file can harm you, but not .log, .txt. This type of file can't harm you. So we will leave it. We will delete index file. We will delete license. This is also maybe not our file. This is not an important file. Readme.html. We will delete this. Actually, I will keep only this wp-config.php. Our database information and our important settings are located in this file. So if we delete this file, we will lose our database name, username and password. We can replace this file. I will do that later, but now let's leave it. And I don't need anything from here. If there was a robot.txt file, I would have kept that too. Now let's delete this file. Double check before delete, and you must take a backup before start working here. I'll delete all this. Now I will upload newly downloaded WordPress file. I just downloaded this WordPress file. there was 3 folder: wp-admin, wp-includes and wp-content. I have this folder already here. That's why I have deleted this folder from here. I select all this file and make a compressed folder here. Now let's upload it. To upload this folder, I will click to upload, select files, select this file and click open. File is uploaded. Now let's extract this file here. All our WordPress file come back. Let's refresh this website. It is working fine. Let's check some internal URL. Yes, it is working. Okay, great. So we replaced our core WordPress file. There has no chance to have malware in wp-admin folder, wp-include folder and all others file. But there has chance to have malware in wp-content folder. We have to clean this folder carefully. And there has chance to have malware code in wp-config.php file. I will replace this file with this file later. But now let's check what inside wp-content folder. Let's see what inside in plugins. It looks everything is perfect here. Let's see what inside in themes. Yes, it's also look like it's perfect here. It's look like perfect, but it may not. There has chance to have malware any of this file, and this file can be replaced by hacker. So what I'll do, I'll delete every plugin from here and upload the fresh new version. Don't worry, you will not lose your settings. For example, Elementor is the most popular WordPress plugin. Let me show you how I replace this Elementor plugin. I'll download the fresh Elementor plugin from wordpress.org. Let's download it. Now I will upload that downloaded Elementor plugin here. Upload, select file. It's uploading. It's done. This is the file. Once this file is uploaded here, I'll delete that old Elementor plugin from here. Then I will extract this file here. So this plugin will replaced with the newly downloaded Elementor plugin. Now there has no chance to have malware in this folder. This is how I will replace all this plugin from here. It's a time consuming matter. I will do that in off record. Like this, I'll do the exact theme with themes file. As you can see, this is a paid theme, Woodmart, and you can't download this theme from wordpress.org. What you should do, this is how you might have other paid plugin or plugins or themes from other source. What you have to do, you have to go there and download the newly updated version and replace that with here. So I'll do that off record. This is how our plugins and theme file will replaced with newly uploaded files. What about all others file? There might have malware, there might have malware, there might have malware. So what I'll do, first I will check this index.php file. There should not have anything without silence is golden. And that's it. So this file is safe. I'll select all files from here. I will keep this themes file. I will keep this plugins file. I will keep this index.php file, and I will keep this uploads file. This is most important folder for your website. All of your images, all of your videos, all of your uploaded file is located to this folder, so you can't delete this. So we will keep only these 4 things: index.php, uploads.php, themes, plugins, and all others file are auto-generated file. Importance file and folder will be auto-generated here after we delete this. But sometimes you might have important files, custom files here, so be careful to take backup of this folder as well. So I'll delete all this. As I told you how to clean this folder, and this file is also clean now. What I'll do, I'll check this upload folder. Actually, these are my important folder. There should not have any PHP file, any JS file. There should only have image, video, PDF, and PHP file, APK file, .js file, .htaccess file. This file should not be here. So I'll delete everything except this file. These will not harm us, so I will keep this. As I told you, these are auto-generated file. If you delete this, it will auto-generate it. Let's delete. There has no chance to have malware in this file because this is an image file, but there has a chance to have malware in this folder. So what I'll do, I'll check current directory and search for .php file. There has no any PHP file in this folder. Like this, I'll search for JS. No JS file here, so you can tell our uploaded folder is also clean. Let's reload this. By the way, let's see what about our website. If this website is loading fine or not. Yes, this website is loading fine. Sometimes you might see your website is broken here because you delete Elementor cache. If you see your website is broken, let me show you how to fix. Log into the WordPress dashboard. If you find this Elementor data updater, click it here. Scroll down, find the Elementor, then go to tools, then run this Elementor cache and synchronize library. Save changes, and after that come to settings, then permalink, then save changes here. That's all. After done this thing, I believe you will find your website is back. So this is how we will clean our website. So there has no malware because we already cleaned this. Now we can tell our website is clean, but this website is not safe for the future attack. What I'll have to do, I have to block the backdoors. If you don't block the backdoors, hacker will hack your website again. Last time he did, because he know the weak way of your website. So you have to block all backdoors of your website. What is your backdoor? Let me show you some common backdoors. Usually we log into the website through this URL wp-admin. Let's try to log in this website with this URL. This URL is not found. That means this website owner already replaced this login URL. This website owner changed this login URL. I'm pretty sure hacker don't know this URL. But how the hackers log into the website? Let me show you one important thing. This website has most popular security plugins, Wordfence. Though this website is hacked. Why? Because backdoor is not properly blocked. Come to Wordfence, then tools. You will find those visitors here who are trying to log into your website. See, very few people are trying to log in through the wp-login.php file. This man is also trying to log into this file. This man, and there are some other files. But most of the used file is XML-RPC.php. What is XML-RPC.php? This is the file what is hacker looking for in your website. Let's see the status of this file. After your website name, write XML-RPC.php exactly like this. Then hit enter. This file is open. That means this door is open. Hacker looking for this file and this door is open. This is like a hidden door of WordPress. 50% of hacking attempts happen through this file. Most of the website owner don't know this. And here is the proof. Maybe 70% of people are trying to log in access through the XML-RPC file. And nowadays this is not an important file at all. I have a detailed guide on my website about XML-RPC. You will find everything here related to XML-RPC. I'll put this URL in this video description. Now let's see how to block this file. I'll go to the case study here. I'll find disable XML-RPC.php for better security. I'll copy this code, come here and open this htaccess file and edit it. I'll paste this code at the bottom, then save changes. Now let's refresh this URL. Let's see if this backdoor is blocked or not. This is giving a 403 forbidden error. That means this file is now not accessible to everyone. This is how we can block this backdoor. WordPress website has some other backdoor as well. I strongly recommend you to read this detailed article. Here I have listed down all the backdoor and its solution. I'll keep this case study URL as well in this video description. Once you clean all files, then we have to clean our database as well, because there can have malware files and hidden user. Actually, cleaning is not the safe for malware attack. You have to block all the backdoors, and this is a time consuming matter as well. Moreover, this is not the safe things to do as a beginner user. If you have the similar situation, you can contact me. I'm a pro WordPress developer with 14 years experience. I'll clean your website properly, then I will block all the backdoors of your website. I'll put my contact information in this video description as well. Hope to see you there. Thank you.